welcome back. This is Sanskruti and I study 8th standard. Today's topic is really interesting. So let's begin today's video. So guys, today we are going to discuss on really interesting topic. Today we are going to discuss on trees. So let's start. So today we are going to discuss some facts about trees. So guys, as we know, the trees are kind and we all of us knows that trees are kind, but a lot of people like trees, a lot of people doesn't like trees, and that's why nowadays trees are getting died, or people are cutting trees. Only because of this, uh, in our the trees are the amount of trees are getting decreased. So let's see. So guys, first fact about trees need water. We all of us knows trees need a lot of water, and if they doesn't get that, so the root of trees get deeper and deeper into the whole soil, and it get if there is some soil, and after that there is some rocks, and after that there is a soil. So guys, the root has a really strongness, and that strongness can break that rocks and or stones and go deeper into the end of the whole land. And so they have a strongness, they have that power, that from that power they can break the whole that the rocks, and then they got water if we doesn't give them water. So so trees are not dependent on person human beings, so they are independent, or they knows everything what they want and they can take it. So after that, as we knows, each and every living things communicate with each other. So why don't you think that trees are not communicating with each another? So trees also communicate with each and other. So guys, so you thought something different from by this sentence, that trees should be communicate. Yes, guys, trees should be communicate. So we in some of trees there is one thing just called ground shyness. Ground shyness. It's called when we just see up in the sky, so the trees are not touched to each others, because of there is some space between their leaves. So we thought from that, we get the proof from that that trees should be communicate, or they have decided that to not to touch to each another, as like that. So guys, trees are also living thing. We just thought or a scientist have proved this, trees are the living things, and it couldn't be non-living thing, because it can grow, it can eat something, it can drink water, it needs everything, or it makes food. And it's also it also reduce it also take oxygen, carbon dioxide, and reduce the oxygen. That's why it is also the living things. And we all of us knows that the trees are different from animals and human beings, but the trees are living things, and they have to communicate, and the communication is the most important thing for living things. And why don't the if the trees are living things, so why don't tree communicate? So that's why guys, our scientists have proved that by some researchers, that trees should be communicate. And the best example of the tree communication of trees is ground shyness. And uh, if you don't thinking about that, trees shouldn't be communicate, so you can google it, a ground shyness, or you can search on YouTube also. you get a lot of information about ground shyness. So guys, trees have some specific things, or we all of us knows a lot of things about trees. And some of us also have a lot knows a lot of things about trees, like how they can photosynthesis, the photosynthesis process. We all of us knows that how trees make the food, and that's all. So this was something about something new about trees, which a lot of people doesn't know about this. So that's why I have told you. And if you like today's video, so hit like to today's video, and if you like to watch videos like this, subscribe to the channel. And thank you guys.